Alright, so I've got the battery disconnected. Got all the power disconnected to the stock style starter. I did unplug the one wire going to the solenoid. So I'm gonna drop the starter out and get ready to put our new one in. Probably won't get it in here tonight, but I'm gonna at least have everything ready to go so I can jump on this tomorrow. Same with the pump, it's ready to go. Just gotta hit that with a wire brush and bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. And we'll get all that in the morning. We can at least fire it up and get the cooling system where we want it to be. And I can keep an eye on that pressure, that temp gauge, because you never know, they might reset. They do weird things. But anywho, cross that bridge when we get there. All right, got a real nice Power Master starter. Did good purchase. We have 1, 2. Let's see here. Lower bushing, upper bushing, upper bushing, lower bushing, upper bushing, upper bushing. So I have 7. Appear to be missing a bushing. I will look around to make sure. But I do not see it here. It may have fallen into the car. I will double check. And this here shroud too, which I need to trim up and make work to seal the top. Stuff in here for now. I'm gonna look at the car for our stray. All right, so there's no bushing in the car. So we do need one more lower control arm bushing. And then I'll get another list of everything else we need. But